Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
The zoo government to use you. If you don't want to do this, your nonsense again, please block it. Okay? Because I'm praying to God. You know, my leader wanted to create our Facebook before all of you plan your evil against him. And you think it's over. It's not yet over. This is the beginning. Great. Great Biafrans, why I'm here this afternoon. I'm still on my pajama. I just cover myself with my jacket. Yes. And as you can see my head, today we are taking the cup with us. Yes. So I will be very angry, but at the end I will be happy when France will carry the cup. Jimmy, my brother, thanks for joining. Jimmy Imo is my brother all the way from Port Harcourt. We live in France together. We have seen different color of nature. So Jimmy, thanks for joining me. He's also an artist, professional artist in Oyibo land, not in Africa, because Africa, everything Africa do, they do with money. They don't do nothing with love. Everything to do with Africa is money, money. They even sell and sell their great-grandchildren, which me, I have rejected those your soul you sell. My kids and my family will not join you people. Yes. So why I'm here today is about the one Akmuda from South Africa. This one Akmuda from South Africa is giving me stress. Giving me stress, I'm going to tell you how and why. This useless illiterate, where can they show us Akbo? Can they show Mazupo? Please, great Biafrans, make una take a look at that useless power way in the show that saying the outside they sweat. Now the blood of Nnamdi Kanu, they make Ikenga Uruago they sweat like he goats. Ikenga Uruago, you are sweating because you're a he goat. The money is blocked. Ikenga, you are getting angry. Ikenga, you can insult Nenayanya from Genesis to Revolution. That is where your bus stop will end. Ikenga Uruago have warned you 1,000 times. Your dream can never come true. Why do you keep on asking for something you can never get? You still repeated again this morning, 6 hours ago, that Nenayanya should be sacked. And please, great Biafrans, can I ask you people a question? Where is Chike Doziem? Is Chike Doziem dead? Chike Doziem, are you dead? Is Ikenga Uruago doing your job now? Chike Doziem. You see, this is what you get when you chop bribe, kill innocent soul. Those people you buy to help you kill, they will come after you. Chike Doziem, you have made yourself like a little bit ant. You don't do yourself like ant. Anyhow, Ikenga Uruago coming out with Biafra child doing your job, a job that you're supposed to do as a leader. All your riffraffs and your cabals and your Richard Card media warrior are doing your job now. Chike Doziem, are you not ashamed? Please, great Biafrans, another question I want to ask you people. Throw away me, but don't throw away my talk. Please, is this really normal that Ikenga Uruago will keep on calling our lawyer and our lawyer will be replying to him? Please, great Biafra, make una help me answer. Because nobody will they leave. There are things we are allowed to do. There are things we are not allowed to do. My question is, who is Ikenga Uruago calling Barrister Ejiofor and Mike Ozekhome? Barrister Senior Mike Ozekhome, I love you too much. I love you with passion you cannot imagine. I love your way. But you see, it's a pity that all the respect we are having for you people, una don't they sell and buy on ourselves. Because Mike Ozekhome, I don't understand your communication with Ikenga Uruago. Did my leader ask you people to be communicating with Ikenga Uruago? The answer is no. Why do you people keep on letting my leader family down and bringing all these cabals, Richard Card media warriors up? Why do you people choose to promote Ikenga Uruago, which he has already challenged my leader? Face to face, I insulted my leader. Why do you people choose to respect him? Are you people afraid of him? Please, great Biafra, make una ask me, help me ask Mike Ozekhome and Ejiofor. Why is Ikenga calling you people and you people are picking your call? Yes, I called you Ejiofor, you pick my call because I'm involved and I respect you for that. And you spoke to me as an adult and I understand as an adult. But the question is this: is Kalonta Ikenga? How do you prefer Ikenga more than Kalonta, Barrister Ejiofor, that you gave him a good award by doing a great job? Barrister Ejiofor, please tell me and the great Biafrans, how come that these people that have been insulting my leader family become the best worker in your group? With all the due respect, sir, that Ikenga Uruago will be calling you people, coming to Biafra time, Rapture Media, coming to public to tell us how much he talks to you people every day. How dare you people? What kind of insult is that? Mike Ozekhome, with all the due respect, because there's one culture in Nigeria that I understand today. When Buhari saying go teach Igbo people with the language we understand, on our spark, all this killing, where they kill on ourselves for Biafra land. Abi na Buhari still they kill on. I'm asking question because what I don't know will never know me. Is Buhari the one killing all this killing? The answer is no. Please, we used to be mumu in those days. We used to be like we don't care. Not be me or me. Mazinam the Kalu trained me front to back, left to right. Me. I will be the only bone that will hook you people. Everybody will be afraid of people on earth, not to me, German Joy. Over my dead body, because respect is given to those that deserve it. When you deserve respect, they will respect you. Ikenga Uruago said it this morning. Because I don't want to make it business my talk go to pepper on. Before I go to pepper with my talk, make una go there listen to una cabal, Ikenga Uruago, the Akboda of Finland. Akboda of Finland, where they insult always, has given 20 million naira. And it's not finished. So Ikenga Uruago, I'm talking to you. You and Chike Doziem, I'm talking to both of you. Biafra child is too small. He's not there. You two, you're too small, but now you carry this matter for head. Like say, you they involved. Who are you that Nayanya will be giving an account? Please, great Biafra, make una ask this one for that South Africa, where they call Simon Ekpa every time one for that Finland. Make you ask this stupid man, say, this is job where they do. Now my leader send them. Please, great Biafrans, make una help me ask Ikenga Uruago, are you doing what my leader asked you to do? You are not working for my leader, you are working for Chike Doziem and Chinasa Woru. This is people you are working. And as far as Chinasa Woru and Chike Doziem refuse to come to Radio Biafra to address the Biafrans and tell them the truth, they will never get any respect from me. Yes, so Pikin will say, Mama no go see that kid no go sleep. On a tradition, anybody will talk through now, go plan, kill him, family, kill him. After I don't kill those people, what do you achieve? Ikenga Uruago and your gang of killing. What have you achieved since you have been killing? One question our SDOS said in his voice was, Chinasa Woru, the Kuwait where they live, you did not defend it. Not be me talk, now your colleague talk am. Your colleague now talk am. Now your colleague talk am, I don't want to call them because you know una self. When he reach when I go call them bold without any fear. But this one, they say Kuwait, you did not defeat it. But you're defeating Biafra land. Chike Doziem, where you come from, has turned to Uzumbi land under 1 year absent of my leader. Chike Doziem, you have turned Olo to a graveyard. You have turned Imo State to a graveyard. Putting everything on Simon Ekpa because you hear Simon Ekpa do how did they talk about? Because now when I go Cambridge, me I don't follow na go. You do U-turn. Simon Ekpa follow na drive. Reach where on a thing saying be zombie, tell on a say no be zombie. In do about water con the swallow na. Why on a con the vest for my brother Kalonta? Waiting Kalonta do now because Kalonta no agree accept the offer we wanna give him. As all of them don't plan sell my leader. Plan to kill him with drug and everything. Me, Mbachi. Heavy Mbachi because some belong to Illuminati, some belong to Oboni, some belong to the Lost Club. When I know where me I belong, the answer is no. Me, I am behind my leader. For better, for worse. I am behind Kalonta. Like you can never imagine your whole life. Whoever is looking for Kalonta problem, kill me first. Because I will never give you people breathing space over my dead body. Kalonta is doing a great job. Liaison group that Ikenga Uruago, none of your family member is up to those people in liaison group. They are all better than your entire village where you come from. You Oswarosi, you Obachi, you enemy of progress, you money hunger. You, if Biafra not pay you, you cannot come out to shout. You come out to be. The day wait to them no go pay you now, you go come face them. That day now they wait you. Me, German Joy, they wait the day where you go turn against Chikedozium. Nobody will support you that day. I'll be the first to useless your life. Yes. Because you have done it with Uchemefo. Now you're doing it with Chikedozium. After, who else are you going to do it with? 9 days for thief, 1 day for the owner. Ikenga Uruago. You said our financial secretary was not allowed to come to a Radio Biafra in South Africa because you created it. How dare you? Why you always boast of what you can never afford? You said to the Biafrans 6 hours ago that they should stop asking questions where you get your information. So why didn't you tell your stupid gigolo fake doctor Azubike Donald? Say, when he asked me whether my Onyendu they communicate with me, I told him yes, I communicate with my Onyendu Mazinam Carlo. He asked me how. So please go back and tell him he should stop asking how. I have my own means of getting my communication from my Onyendu. He's alive, idiot people everywhere, mad people everywhere. You curse my Onyendu family. You curse everybody in the family. You curse Dick and Tommy and Uruago. You take my leader family, you do caricature. Please, if they begin to seize my voice, make una call me, please. Because anytime they know the agreement can talk through, they block their enemy mouth. Their entire family, they block the mouth. My own mouth, German mouth, can never close. Only death will close my mouth. Una don't they eat human being, right? Because if we can Uruago no say human pass, you know go get the money, pay rent. All the money where you get from my leader head, you don't finish. You need more money. Why are you interfering in our finance? Are you IPOB member? You are not. You are IPOB Sabo. I told you a million times Simon Ekpa is better than you. Have you seen the proof? Remember when you telling Simon Ekpa what he said? He said, any day we una don't tire, make una let them know go bring money. Yes, my leader family don't bring 1 million. Simon Ekpa is bringing 2 million, and it's not to finish. I will defeat all of you. If I don't defeat all of you, may God punish me. I warn you people to take your hands, your ugly eyes away from Simon Ekpa. He's doing his job. Let him do his job. Ikenga Uruago, focus on your own. Forget about my DOS Nenayana. Forget about her. Forget about Simon Ekpa. Forget about Kalonta. Forget about Master Prophet. All these people you're mentioning, they are far better than you. Physically, academically, even spiritually. Only like you. Guilty conscience make you they sweat, kro, where sun never begin come out. You say you purposely go back on it. You won't go so they say they live for street. Gigolo. If that's your useless wife, where they there. Your wife is the most useless wife on earth. Raise my hand and I cross my heart. She's a devil. Ikenga Uruago wife, you're a devil. You bewitch. How can a woman like you, where do you come from, Ikenga Uruago wife? Because the only thing you know how to do is to steal, scammer. You scam people online. You're a criminal blogger. You block my voice. You steal video from Master Prophets. You do a lot of shit. You are the criminal that your husband is using. But let me tell you, my bitch, 9 days for thief, 1 day for the owner. You are there supporting your husband for all this evil he's doing. Ikenga Uruago wife. You are there supporting your stupid short husband, attachment seller, that you have to go and sleep with men, make money to come and make him shine. Now IPO become take over. No be IPO Chikedozium take over. Yes. So Ikenga Uruago wife, you're a witchcraft. You and Mariama Hida. You and Nkechi. You and Carol Gold. All those bitches that he was commenting. He said thank you to his comments, okay, his comment section members. All this enemy of progress. The same feather of this. How do they call them? When I go invest, men help me. Better of the same feathers, right? Yes. Ikenga Uruago, Biafra Chikedozium, they have 3 woman thieves in their group. You see these 3 woman thieves you have in your group. Nelly Ofebu is better than all of them. Sophia is better than all of them. Faith Ogali is better than all of them. My leader secretary, how can you be insulting this girl with the mother? They live in America. They live in America, Uruago. Nobody will give you visa to go to America. Aleka. They live in America. They are eating dollars. You are suffering. You have to come and shout to get money to pay your rent. Why are you people challenging people that is bigger than you? That is my question. Great Biafra, so I said, I could answer me question why Ikenga go they call Mike Ozekhome and Barrister Ejiofor and they answer them call. Please, if they have anything they are hiding under their bed, they should come and tell us. Because as far as I'm concerned, Mike Ozekhome, you don't have any fucking right. As a big lawyer you are. I love you, reach my bone. Even when Simon Ekpa, that's why they invest for Simon Ekpa, where you go do your hairstyle. I think I hear them that time. Yes. And they fit Simon Ekpa. Ikenga Simon Ekpa is bringing out 2 million. It's nothing. If now 100 million Simon Ekpa will bring it. Now me talk about German machine. Now me talk about also Agoma Ilolabara. Great Biafrans. I asked this question before. Una no answer me. I want to ask again in this particular program today. Make una ask Chike Doziem all that money. Where did they do fundraising? Because this stupid Ikenga Uruago is talking about group where my leader bless. This volunteer group where my leader love, where they help my leader, which is liaison group. Nobody be Ikenga Uruago class in that group. I'm a member of that group. Ikenga Uruago, you don't, even me, the smallest quality in that group is better than you in every category. Ikenga Uruago, do your inquiry. Do your inquiry. I keep on telling people, do your inquiry before you come out. You're talking about fundraising where my leader bless. Fundraising, waiting they fight my leader till tomorrow. You're asking for account. Who the fuck are you? This short dwarf. This escaped short dwarf. Biafra child is twins brother. At least Biafra child top as you. At least Biafra child top as you. Only say the figure, you go still see that and they got blood there in body. Yes. Ikenga Uruago. Simon Ekpa is bringing 2 million and it's not finished. It's too much. Let me talk, man. After they go see who be thief, who they fight for my leader, I will know they fight for my leader. Simon Ekpa, I'm repeating, is working for my leader. And Simon Ekpa is not killing people in Biafra land. Now they kill people for Biafra land. Ikenga Uruago, Chike Doziem and the cabal, you are the one killing people. Simon Ekpa, they give a condition, leave my leader, release my leader. Not be the other say, make una release my leader. Why are you people still holding him? Chida Saworu and Chike Doziem and all those lawyers where they communicate with Ikenga Uruago are the one holding my leader there. If not, what game are you playing? God to say release my leader. What kind of fucking game are you still playing? I'm asking our lawyers. So if I call you now, you begin to tell me the story, what is happening. Don't you see you're not a professional enough? If you're professional, you will, if Ikenga call you, will send back Ikenga to the leadership. Because he said he worshiped the leadership. So when Ikenga call you, what you would have done as an intelligent, educated lawyer, you would have asked Ikenga Uruago. I reserve my comment to go back to the leadership. Yes. Yes. You didn't do that. You can't use my brother Ejiofor, Ejimako. They do yeye. They use Kalonta. They do yeye. You use Princess. You do yeye. You use my in-law, Master Prophet. You do yeye. You use me, German Joy. You do yeye. You use my leader, entire family. Do yeye. Mike Ezekhome did not stop it. Ejimako, why I'm calling Mike Ezekhome name today? Because you started. Me, I collect una from where una drop them. Because you don't have no right. You are nothing to call any of my leader lawyer. You are nobody. You said Nenanya is nobody, but Nenanya was somebody till date, and it's still somebody till tomorrow that my leader respect and love. Only you and your cabal of Chike Doziem does not like Nenanya. Because when they thief our money, they carry our money, they go buy gun. They go buy gun, they go give people to the go scatter. All the whole name you will not get for my life. When I use my leader head, go revenge. God will punish all of you. God will punish all of you. We don't kill. All of you, way on hand, they don't touch blood. Now, so on a generation go, they die for blood. Yes. What you wish to me is what I'm going to wish you back. What you wish to my leader family is what I is wishing all of you back. Ikenga Uruago, resign. You say you don't resign. You stupidly come back. Nobody beg you. Nobody beg this dwarf from South Africa. Nobody beg you. You say you resign. Nobody beg you. You stupidly, you come back, causing havoc every minute of the day. You and Biafra child, Ara Abawalunu. Ara Abawalunu. Offer Kunubaro, I know about town. That author where I take my body show now, take my show now, my sexy body where they cost me. Say I be Akula. Akula, well, you know, mama don't do. So they born you different, born your brother, all of now, where your mom born, maybe bastard. May you go do test. You go see say half of Funana. Ta, you can't go to Maggie, Loro, different children with different men. Let me talk up. Go carry knife, go the key because he will you got to go away. You can't go to family. Yeah, because Imo State has become a zombie land. Any place you touch in Imo State is full of blood. Now go carry and they put Hepozarima, thief. They never call him thief. You see person pass, they call him thief. Now you be thief. Person passing, oh, you call him thief. God is seeing us, and God is watching everything we are doing. Everything you are doing, you think you have escaped. You will escape from us, but you can never escape from God. Ikenga Uruago, Muwazo, Umwegonye can name liaison group after la family. If you were a king child, will you be coming on social media making noise? Do you see Kalonta coming out to make noise? No, because he's a king child. And their family didn't raise them up to be making like me and you. No, they are well educated, intelligent, everything good come from that family. I am from that place. Yes, does not mean good thing did not come from my family, but that is not. Everything in Kano family is blessed. Everything in that family is blessed. None of you monkey can stop this show. None of you, the monkeys and alicants, money hungers will stop this show. Chike doesn't go and create more cabal. Because these ones where you create, they don't retire. We don't see their nyash. We don't see when finish. Create more. Create more killers. Create more. Make more havoc so my leader will die in prison. But the mistake when they do, no, say, this one leader, only one, will chop the whole Nigeria. I swear to my God, we swallow all the whole Nigeria. Swallow. Yes, so the world is watching you people. The world is watching you people. So, great Biafrans, that is what I come to ask you people. Why should Mike Ozekhome and Ejiofor be picking card from Ikenga, Akmoda from South Africa? And why should Ejiofor praise Ikenga, Uruago, and Biafra child, call all the whole nonsense, including Acharugu? Che, Ejiofor, you disappoint me front, back, left, right. So, Ejiofor, even me, when they fight for you, when they never kidnap my leader. So, you don't see me. Now, Acharugo, where I buy money, all these people will pay money, now I go praise. For our pocket, not for my leader pocket, not for our pocket. Praise whoever you want. But I just want the great Biafrans to know that what our leader lawyers are doing is wrong. Completely wrong. They don't have right to be communicating with ordinary member of IPOBs. They don't have the right. If they want to communicate, it's with the leadership. If Ikenga Uruago has power to communicate, you communicate with your leadership. Because now them they pay your rent. Now them they pay you. Now them they tell you what you they come cost Ikenga and Kalonta and Master Prophet. Now waiting Chike doesn't send you, now you they come do. At least Mazichina Saworu don't try tell on and say, you people should stop insulting my leader family. Has Chike doesn't done that? Chike doesn't cannot do that, because if you do, I'm gonna go una warrior because you don't pay una to come do una job. But I want Chike doesn't, I want you to know that all the people you pay to come and distract us, as my leader said, una dala woefully. Yes. Una dala, because we see una, we know una, we wait for una. Yes, so yes. Chike every day you are there, they are insulting them. Every day you're there, they are shutting in Kalonta. Chike doesn't, you cannot come out to tell this stupid dwarf from South Africa and the other dwarf from Germany to shut their dirty mouth up. Chike doesn't, you cannot do that. Why? Great Biafra make una ask Chike doesn't why he cannot give these children order to shut their dirty mouth up. Because not them. If una call me mumu, make una sit down, ask question now. If me I be the highest mumu on earth, why don't you people sit and ask yourself question? Why is Chikedozem not stopping them? Because now them, they are working for Chikedozem. Now, great dear friends, please, I want people to ask Mazi Saworu and Chikedozem to bring receipts of what they are doing with the money that has been contributing from their fundraising. At least Simon Ekpa, where they no believe, where they say it chop. Simon Ekpa don't show us saying be big boy. Simon Ekpa respect. I know say all the money where you collect, you give them, my Lord, I trust you for that one. For that money aspect, I go trust you till my last breath. Yes. All the money Simon Ekpa collected is for my leader. He did not buy anything with it. He didn't buy a house with it. He didn't buy nothing. So he can't Uruago, you and Chikedozem, the one they collect, what you take up to me and show us proof. Show us proof what you have been doing. How many lawyers have you paid since my leader has been kidnapped? How much have you been giving to Eastern Security Network? Put it officially. There was once I show my money I sent for Eastern Security Network, 500 euro. I show it on the live. Please, can you show it live to the world? How much you people are spending for the Eastern Security Network? Great Biafra, these people are misleading you people. Ikenga said this morning that now, Madam Neneanya is misleading us. It's not true. I've been following Neneanya for many years. I don't cook Neneanya eat. 2015 with Ejiofor. Ejiofor dashed me one t-shirt. That t-shirt now, direction to Biafra land. I still have it. T-shirt white. Okay? Good. Tell me one receipt. Bring them, not tell me. Show to the great Biafrans. Receipt of what Mazi Saworu and Chikedozem has been doing with the fundraising they raise. Please ask that question, great Biafran. Secondly, Uruago now want to start to insult Mazi Ikechukwu. You see, he's always going to hang his shoulder where his shoulder where his hand no reach. Uruago, Mazi Ikechukwu is doing his job. Anybody will fake my leader, we know they go there. If we know you as fake, we run away from you. Yes. You can never, not be one time carry Mazi Ikechukwu come pose for life. Say he's the best man in this world. Why are you trying to condemn him now? He is still that best man, Ikenga Uruago. Ikechukwu Mazi is still the same man you praise dead. He is allowed to bring, anytime you want to bring Madam Neneanya, Kalunta, anytime they want to go to Radio Biafra, no one ugly monkey will stop them from coming to Radio Biafra. Because your mama no build Radio Biafra. Your papa, your mama will sell akara. Mama put no build Radio Biafra. Your papa, where I don't know, as your mama carry and put am here. No build Radio Biafra. Radio Biafra was built by Neneanya and my leader and Kalunta. You like it, it's your problem. You don't like it, your cup of tea. Nobody is owing you an explanation. Put it in your fucking brain. Nobody from my leader is owing you people explanation. Not today, not tomorrow, not forever. Stop asking for what you cannot get. Everything you're asking, you're going to get zero. Nothing. Mazi Saworu and Mazi Chikedozem cannot give you what you want. The only thing they can be giving you constantly is money. And this on a monetized page, where me I talk before, I don't talk about 30 times, I want to repeat it again here. From the day when I start to monetize on a page, all that money is going to my leader. Put it in your people fucking brain. Don't think you're taking it to buying house, buying car. Everything will come out. You want to bet me? Make una bet me. All of you monetizing your page, all that money is going to my leader pockets, to the IPOB pocket, to the really Biafra job where make we start this journey from beginning. That is where all those money you are getting will go. So if you no, make a reminder for now. So make una they save the money because the money will come out. Anywhere you are, we will get to the money will come out. Nobody will chop 1 cent from this when I monetize. When I use my leader name, IPOB they collect. None of when I go take and drink glass of tea. All that money will go to IPOB, really IPOB fund, Nenayana accounts. About also, I go my Lulabara. Izuzu chayin le zuzu Ikenga with Biafra child. Unu zuzu chayin le zuzu, Unu ga batakwala otu borita na you can't run away. That is the checkpoint. You may Lumara, you come back there, you don't want to get out. Stop telling us you will resign, resign. When I take that useless ununkapi we start this war, Darlington. When I tell you I'm leaving, I created Great Biafra worldwide. But when I tell you, say I'm leaving, too much bullshit here. Did you see me come back? I leave. This is how you have to take a decision. Your yes has to be yes. Your no has to be no. You don't brag. You brag after bragging because without this thing, you will not survive. You earn money from this. You earn money from this. Ikenga Uruago. Biafra child need to be paid. Ikenga Uruago want to be paid. How many of you want to be paid again? Please come out and be shouting. Make they know how many of you we need to be paid. Yes, because Nenayanya is being paid, Chikedozem is being paid, so Ikenga Uruago has to be paid. Like a pokwa Amadio Hamabuque, Ikenga Uruago like Biafra child. Require they go to Buku Galuku Mosu Mabukunu. Ekpa about visit Chekunu one by one. So this monetize never been full on. The way they take from bribing, you never been full. You want IPOB to pay you, dream can never come true. Yes, we are all working volunteer. We are not here to be paid. We don't want to be paid. I don't want to be paid. Let me tell you another thing you don't know about this liaison group. They will be there till you die. You can never send them away. Yes. My leader put them there. They invite my leader come, I was there. My leader bless the group. And they are doing a great job. And you don't have a girl, French call it a guy, you don't have any class in that group. Yes, everybody in that group is better than you, and they are doing a great job. When you hear what we call one net number, many Igbo Union everywhere say we are one net number, we are one net number. Are you showing the proof of one net number? The answer is no. The answer is NO. One net number is only pronounced with mouth, but you are not practicing it. They don't. If I become one net number, when that is it. Wow. If you go reach me to go sell my body, feed people, I will do that. Yes, that's German joy for you. These people, liaison group that is purging Ikenga Uruago and Chikedoziem, you go purge you until you die. They will be there. None of you have the power to stop them. Never. Not today, not tomorrow. They are working with Nenayanya. They are working with Kalonta. They are working with my leader. And they are my group. And I love them. Oh, one name the number. This is liaison group. You want to bet me? Try your luck. Liaison group. One name number. That's a liaison group. If I lie, I die. And I cross my heart. Yes. How Gamba? Madam Lady Chinyere, she's a great woman and I will love her till I die. Madam Chinyere, I love you. German machine, love you. My mommy Chiwe, my sweet mommy, je t'aime à la folie, je vous aime. My uncle Ndidi, I love you. Respect. Hey, my daddy, my big daddy, Agumoko, Mazo Buefi, Dead Ekpa Gamba, my leader best friend, Mazo Buefi. Respect. The way I respect my leader, my Eastern Security Network, I respect you too, sir. Continue, sir. May your days be long and you will live to see Great Biafra. Lady Chinyere, salute, you will live to see Great Biafra because you're doing a great job. Iwu mama, Iwu dada, Iwu auntie, Mama Chinyere, I love you. Only death will separate me from you people, all from my heart. This monkey cabals, or these hypocrite people, don't mind them. I trust Lady Chinyere. You don't have time to listen to people brokers. I trust Lady Chinyere, Madam Chinyere. You people don't have that time to listen to people brokers. So, they pay me because when I know they listen to them, but to me, I they listen. They pay me, but I want to correct them. I love you, liaison group. My brother and the Cheke Gojire Mono, Dr. Chiri, thank you for standing for my leader and for liaison group. I love you, people. May your day be long, and all of them go live to see Great Biafra. He say. Respect. That's it. Can I give that to Chikedoziem? The answer is no, because they come to destroy my leader. They want to take over my leader. The fight you see them fighting with Simon Ekpa today, let them come to social media and tell you why. Great Biafrans. Make an ask Chikedoziem to come to social media to come talk. Make him come. They put Chikedoziem, they put Mazi Simon Ekpa face to face. Great Biafra, why would they request for that? Why do you say everything DOS said goes? Even when he's killing my leader, even when he's blocking all the way for my leader to come out, everything he said still goes. Are you people eating with your nose? Ndishoji. Unujimi eriri. I would never thinking faculty. I will allow you to unujo. Chike Dozem should come live. Do betting with Simon Ekpa face to face with Barrister Ejiofor, 3 of them. 3 of them should go live. Live. Lady Great Biafra and watch them and call and ask questions. Simon Ekpa, Chike Dozem, Barrister Ejiofor, 3 of you should come live. Let the world hear you people. We are tired of writing social media propaganda going left and right. Before now, they can do me munobi now. No propaganda. Make una come live. 3 of you should go live. Let the Great Biafra and watch you people. From that day, una go see say this respect when they give Chike Dozem, he does not deserve it. He doesn't deserve it. He don't respect my leader. He don't obey my leader. He don't want my leader to come out. He's causing confusion in my leader family because he's a hypocrite, bunch of double agents that hate his leader. When they say Menfor is better than him, people, somebody like useless Ikenga Biafra child will come out and open their dirty mouth. Look at Biafra child, very dirty thing. Dirty thing where in wife now from Greece. You know, if you marry 100% German woman, me I marry German. Bring your wife on social media. Why you always, you and Ikenga they hide on our wife? But when I see my Methuselah in wife and in child, Methuselah they do broadcast in wife, they show, they go speak German. Now they see useless, stupid people everywhere. It's not the water German machine. Kambalata. You they naked, they say you they sweat. Me, I wear double jacket because I don't know you. We are in period of winter. Outside is frozen like you can imagine. This is Belgium. So Ikenga Uruago, share your wife, let her come out and challenge German joy with her grammar. Hey, you, Carol Gold, comment section, show your face. Of course, I know you, you know I know you, and you know me. You know, but I'm against you now because you're fake. I thought you were real, but I found out you're fake. You also bought. You're not even 100% Biafra. I am 100% Biafra. Yes, I am 100% Biafra.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.